I'm Mallory Crow, and this is my learning log for Math 250. We have the front page. It has the Math 250, my section number, and the semester. We have the table of contents next. Blank pages, and then we have the numeration systems and the exploring different bases handout. It goes through and says all the different ways. And then on this side we have another exploring different bases handout. Next we have addition and subtraction of whole numbers. It goes through the models and the different ways and all of the different properties, and then we have the subtraction and the other numeration systems with the Egyptian and the base 5. Then we have the multiplication and division of whole numbers. Again, we have the models, more models, and then we have the properties. And then some more models of division. And then we do have the order of operations, the PEMDAS. The next we have addition and subtraction algorithms, mental computation, and estimation. And starting on this page, we have the subtract across 0 handout. And then on over here, we have the addition algorithm, left to right, lattice algorithm, and the rest of the methods. And then we have the estimation of whole numbers. And some more with the clustering and the range. And then on the next page we have multiplication and division algorithms of mental computation and estimation. Again, we have the algorithm of multiplication, how to multiply horizontally, math with 2-digit factors. We also have the lattice multiplication handout sheet over on this side. And then we have the base 10, the lattice multiplication, and the Russian peasant multiplication. Then we have some division algorithms, the repeated subtraction, and the long division. And then we have multiplication and other bases. We have the mental calculations. We have the front end, the think money method, breaking up the dividend, estimation of whole numbers, and round one and raising round one or both numbers. We also have the front end estimation. And then next we have divisibility, and we have factors and multiples. Then we have the rules of divisibility, and then it goes down with 2, 4, 8, 5, 10, 3, 9, 6, 12, and the unique numbers of 7 and 11. Next is prime and composite numbers, and how to determine the number of whole number divisors, categorizing natural numbers. Next we have the least common multiple and greatest common denominator, and the 7 different methods of the least common multiple and the 4 different methods of the greatest common denominator. Next we have addition and subtraction of integers, and I did include the red and black chip addition and subtraction handout. This just talks about the integers and the red and black chips, the models, charge field, line number, pattern, absolute value, properties of integer addition, theorems of integers addition, the subtraction of integers models, the different models again, and adding the opposite. And next we have multiplication and division of integers, and on this side I did include one page from the handout. And then we have the models, the chip model, charge field model, number line model, pattern model, properties, and commutative. We have the theorems, the algorithms, and then we have division, the missing factor, the set, the repeated addition, subtraction, and some algorithms. And then we have this set of rational numbers, what a rational number is, part to whole concept, the ratio concept, and then I have my like fractions strips of paper along with the equivalent fractions, some rules, ordering like and unlike denominators. Next we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division with rational numbers. And this is the adding portion of the number line, area model, etc. Some more for addition here, and then we start with the subtraction of rational numbers, the missing addend, we have the multiplying of rational numbers, and then the division of rational numbers, including the area model. And then some more. The next page we have decimals, what a decimal is, base 10, changing fractions to decimals, ordering least to greatest, terminating decimals, converting fractions to decimals again on this page. And then I did include the decimals addition sheet. Next we have operations of decimals. We have the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Then we have non-terminating decimals, sorry. And then again, I included the multiplication sheet of that handout also. And then on our last page, we just have some more work of how to change this to a fraction, and then fractions to decimals using the long division method. And that's it.